Hello crafters, welcome back to Crafty All Sorts. My name is Sue Baylis and today I'm taking you behind the scenes of my journey in growing this YouTube craft channel. Grab your glue gun and settle in, let's get started. I'm a 64-year-old crafter who'll be retiring in 2026. That's less than 2 years away. How scary does that sound? I wanted to start something to keep me occupied during my retirement years. 3 weeks ago, I decided I wanted to grow my 6-year-old YouTube channel that only has 5 or 6 videos. It's been an incredible ride, filled with glitter, glue and an awful lot of learning. When I first started, I had no idea what I was doing. In fact, I still don't. My videos are pretty basic, but I am passionate about sharing my love for crafting with all of you. Every YouTube journey has its challenges, and mine are no different. I'm learning how to film and edit videos, how to get the lighting correct, how to engage with you, my audience. There's a lot to tackle. There are times when I feel overwhelmed, especially when videos don't turn out as I planned or I don't get as many views as I hoped. But each challenge is a learning opportunity and it pushes me to improve my content and my craft. One of the most rewarding parts of this journey has been connecting with all of you. Your comments, your suggestions and encouragement have been invaluable. Building a community around my channel is what I aim for. So I look forward to seeing your creations inspired by my tutorials. It's what keeps me going. It's amazing to know that my passion for crafting resonates with so many of you. Thanks to your support, I've reached 135 subscribers and have had over 1,400 views in the last 28 days. These achievements, although small, are thanks to you, my fellow crafters. Each new subscription and every new video is a step forward in this creative journey. I'm excited about the future of this channel. I've got a lot of new projects and ideas in the pipeline that I can't wait to share with you. From new craft tutorials to expanding into different types of content. There's so much to look forward to and I want you to be part of it every step of the way. So thank you for being a part of my journey. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a new video. And to all my returning subscribers, your support means the world to me. Keep crafting, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.